This was one of my favorite things to do, was to go to the elephant sanctuary and feed the elephants. The older
Omal,
elephants would
Omal,
eat anything, but I
liatin Arum
noticed
sekalian Arum.
that the baby elephant, she didn't want the bamboo sticks. She wanted fruits and vegetables. Now meet the baby. This is the baby. She doesn't like bamboo sticks. Do you see how she's tossing them to the ground? She wants fruits and vegetables. She's spoiled.
Pajar.
This is the mother. The mother eats everything. She eats the bamboo sticks, fruits and vegetables. She's not picky like her daughter. So as you're leaving the park, it's such a beautiful scenery here. You can take the scenic walk through the park to get out. It's very beautiful as you see. Very, very beautiful. We decided to take the scenic route out of the park, and it's so beautiful as you see.